Hello guys, I got a surprise for you. A snowman! I got a snowman!
Oh, there it is! Woo, ta-da! So guys, we are going to quickly unbox this snowman and let's see what they have to offer us. Let's go! Meher is very excited. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have this adapter. Okay. Then we have, oh, what is it? That's some hooks and some angles. We'll see what to do with that. I'm not sure. We have this manual and warning thing and warranty stuff. We'll see that. Pull it.
I cannot get it.
Okay, can I help you?
Yes.
Here it is. And that's in the plastic bag. Let's see.
What is this?
This is an adapter, Meher. We are going to plug it.
But Daddy, this is mine.
Yes, it is yours. So this is Meher snowman. Nobody is going to touch it. Only Meher can play with it, okay? So this is what we got. Now we are going to quickly plug it and it will inflate.
Huh? A snowman?
Yes? Yes. So guys, finally I was able to put the snowman on. It was nothing hard, nothing that difficult. The only thing is I was not sure what to do with the hooks. But maybe probably क्योंकि जब अगर आपको उसे बाहर ग्राउंड में प्लेस करना है तो you need it to balance it. So now it has been placed successfully. I'll show you. Do you like your snowman, Meher?
Yeah, I like my snowman.
You like it?
Snowman that want to give me a hand to walk with me.
So here it is, guys. This is the snowman that Meher was asking for from a long time. So we have placed it now. And I don't know if she will allow me to place it outside or not. But if she does not allow me, then we are going to keep it here.